video, I'm going to show you how to smash a bush bomb. Now, my sister has started with smashing all the windows, and now I'm the heavily artillery guy with a big sledgehammer going to come in and help finish the job. The windows are all been smashed from Jasmine, and now I've come in to do the rest. Now, I'll show you how easily a sledgehammer can wreck a car. A sledgehammer is a very good destructive tool. That's why people use sledgehammers to renovate a house, break walls down, break brick walls, break big rocks, break concrete, alright, or hit big posts into the ground. Sledgehammer is very heavy artillery. My sledgehammer is on the right, and I'm going to be using about a 10-pound Supercraft hammer. Alright. Oh, look. Fucking weak. Window's pretty fucked. Oh, this is hard work. Oh. That is hard work. After a few hits, I've caved in the roof good, and look at the door. Hole! Penetration! Hammer went through the sheet metal. Shows you how thin a car is. Alright. This is quite hazardous, guys. Don't do this at home. Alright. Hero smashed off. That will do. I'm getting knackered. There we are. That's the aftermath. Mirror completely smashed off. Door dented up. Oh, bit of work easier, Sledge. Get you fit. Nothing wrong with the hammer at all, just a couple scratches and stuff.